Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a turtle.
Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Woo!
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a pearl gourami fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a lobster. Look at this. It is a silver raspora fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a broom fish. Look at this. It is a crab.